Hey Colt fans, JB here and welcome back to Topic Tuesday. This week we're going to demystify the current Colt Python family and walk you guys through the different Python finishes and barrel lengths that are available from Colt today. When the Colt Python was reintroduced in 2020, we started with two barrel lengths in a single finish configuration. The barrel lengths were 6 inches and 4 1/4. This configuration included the ramped interchangeable front sight, target adjustable rear sight, walnut medallion grips, and fully stainless steel construction, with a finish that we refer to as semi-polished. This configuration grew early in 2022 to include a 3-inch barrel in the same configuration as shown here. This year, after much feedback, we added 2 more special configurations to the Python family. The first is a simple barrel length of 5 inches in the existing walnut grip configuration. This is an ideal length for balance and fast shooting, as it puts the balance point of the revolver right where your trigger finger is. While the 6-inch barrel adds critical speed to the full .357 Magnum loads for hunting use, the 5-inch model will be better balanced for range use and faster follow-ups than the lighter 4 1/4-inch gun will allow. Finally, the newest Colt Python on the block is the smallest Python available in a 2.5-inch barrel length. This new barrel length changes the configuration of the revolver slightly in that we've added a more practical set of service-style grips more suited to the small overall size of this revolver. This family of 5 Python SKUs makes up the standard offerings for semi-polished stainless finishes in the Python family at an MSRP of $14.99. Now, today, we're expanding this offering with an often requested matte stainless finish, configured with a practical set of Hogue overmolded stocks. For a Python that spends more time in your range bag and less time on display, this new finish is going to shine where it counts. Initial offerings include barrel lengths of 3-inch, 4 1/4, and 6-inch, with additional barrel lengths coming shortly. This new finish boasts an MSRP of just $12.99 and is available now at your Colt stocking dealer. I hope this has been a helpful overview of Colt's 2023 Python assortment. Make sure you leave us some questions and comments below, and we'll see you on the next Topic Tuesday.